Most companies still treat training as a tedious task. But what if creating and managing employee training were as easy as drag in, drop in, and click and publish? This is ProProfs Training Maker, the simplest employee training software designed for businesses of every size. Everything is online. You can create, deliver, and track courses, all from a single dashboard. The platform is trusted by leading companies such as Adobe, Acer, and Lenovo. When you click Create a Course, you can generate a course simply by entering a command. For example, time management course for my employees in a SaaS company, or you can use ready-made templates. And the drag and drop builder allows you to turn any content, videos, presentations, or even quizzes into a complete training course. And just look at how easy it is. ProProfs AI is generating the course for me. It will automatically generate the outlines, assessments, and quizzes for me. And there's even a massive library of ready-to-use courses created by experts, all available for free. You simply choose one, customize it as you like with your branding and for your team, and it's ready to launch. And here is the course that the AI created for me: Effective Time Management for SaaS Teams. I just click Done, and the course is ready to go. Preview. Let's say I preview it as a learner, and the course is ready for my company. I can click Start, test it out, and you can see how easy it is. I can change the text, swap out the images if I want, delete things from here, drag and drop, move this chapter here, move it up. And whenever the course is ready, I just click Done, and it's ready for my team to follow. Whether it's OSHA, HIPAA, or sexual harassment training, ProProfs automates the entire process: reminders, certifications, and tracking. You can monitor every learner's progress in real time and generate detailed reports instantly. It's perfect for HR, compliance officers, and even L&D teams who need to train at scale. And the training isn't just about content, it's about engagement. ProProfs keeps learners involved with quizzes, gamification, surveys, and interactive tools. And even if you ever get stuck, there's 24/7 customer support via chat or even phone, real people, anytime, ready to simplify your employee training. Head over to ProProfs and create your first course today. It's free to start, easy to use, and designed to make training effortless. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and leave any questions you may have in the comments. We'll answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.